Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off DirectX 12 shaders on Fortnite. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you on Epic Games Launcher, you want to go to your library, and on Fortnite, click on three dots and go to Options. If you don't have DirectX 12 shaders here, as you can see I don't have it too, you will now need to launch the game. If you have DirectX 12 shaders, you just want to uncheck it basically and click apply. Now, if you don't have it, then you want to launch the game and you will see that it's already integrated in the game and you will not need to do much, just change the rendering mode. So on Fortnite game, you want to go to the settings on video and you see that the rendering mode is DirectX 12 right there. So it already has the shaders installed and you don't need to do, it's already integrated basically. So if you want to turn it off, you will need to choose either performance or DirectX 11. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.